Good morning, students. Students, as you can see over here, again I had started to record it from my laptop itself, and it's a screen recorder. Even you can see on your recorded screen, there might be a trial version might be written. It will be for the 10 seconds. Then after again it will go. In middle it will be coming. But here I will explain you from the places where I had left you last time. That is, from the example I will be explaining. Example 3 I will be explaining. Okay. So if you will see 14 by 15, simplify it is. Okay. So 14 by 15 it is, and as you can see over here, 14 by 15 into 35 by 51 into 34 by 49. Solution, we have 14 by 25 into 35 by 51, 34 by 49. Okay, when these are multiplied, all numerators are multiplied. You can see 14, all numerators are multiplied by keeping it at the top. Numerators all are multiplied and denominators all are multiplied. You can see 14, 35, 34. And here 25 into 51 into 49. If you can see 7 7 is 49 and 7 2 is 14. Okay. In same way you can see over here 5 5 is 25. Okay. With 5, this 5 has been gone, and 7 5 is 35. Okay, 7 2 is 14, it was done, and 7 7 is 49. And with this 2 is left over here. Okay, no problem. And you can see these two are cancelled. How these 5 and 5 5 is 25 had cancelled, and these two are cancelled by 17. 17 2 is 34 and 17 3 is 51. So what happens? At the top left only 2 and 2, as you can see the last number here is 1. Okay, so 2 and 2 4, and below 5 into 3 15. So what happens? Answer becomes 4 by 15. In same way, if you will see example 4, simplify 3 4 by 7 into 2 2 by 5 into 1 3 by 4. Okay, at first what we will do, we will change it into mixed fraction. That is 7 3 is 21, and 21 and 4 25. So 25 by 7 is written over here. In same way 5 2 is 10, and 10 2 plus 2 12. So 12 by 5. In same way 4 1 is 4 and 3 7. So 7 by 4. What happened? All numerators are multiplied. You can see 25 into 12 into 7. Okay, at the top, and denominators are also multiplied. As you can see here, 7 into 5 into 4 is there, and it has been cancelled. 5 5 is 25 5. In same way 4 3 is 12 3, and then after 7 7 got cancelled, so it is 15. Okay, how much it is? 15. At the top what left? When after cancelling you can see there is 1 1, and at the top there is 5 and 3. So 5 3 is 15. Nothing below means there is 1, and 1 no need to write. I hope you all are understanding it. I'm just coming down. You can see here it is about use of. Use of of. So of means what? We define a by b of c as c into a by b, or even you can write a by b into c. Of means multiply over here. If you will see, here is example. Example, find 2 by 5 of 40. How much you have to find? You have to find 2 by 5 of 40. Then after 5 by 9 of 48, and 11 by 14 of 63. In all this case, what you will be writing? We will be writing multiply sign in place of. You can see over here. 2 by 5 of 40, it is written 2 by 5 of 40 by 1. Nothing below means there is 1. And the of means multiply. So 40, it has been written first, 40 by 1 into 2 by 5. I had said in multiply a into b and b into a, no problem. So you can write 2 by 5 into 40 by 1 also. Okay. Now if you will see, up it is multiplied, and down multiplied, and up and down cancel. 5 8 is 40, so 8 2 is 60. I hope all of you are understanding it. In same way it has been done. 5 by 9 of 48 is equal to 5 by 9 of 48 by 1, and then after 40 by 8 by 1 into 5 by 9. Okay, as it has been done up. And then after, if you will see up, it has been multiplied, numerators are multiplied and denominators are multiplied. And if you will see with 3 it has been reduced, that is 16 3 are 48 and 3 3 are 9. Now up it is multiplied, 6 5 are 80 and below 3, since it is not reducing by any other number. So now this is improper fraction, and improper fraction is changed into mixed fraction. How it has been changed? It has been changed by dividing 80 with 3. You see, 3 2 are 6. How much remains? 2 and 0, 20. So again 3 6 are 18. How much remains? 2. Now 2 is not divisible, so 2 is remainder at the top and 3 is below. So it becomes 26 2 by 3. I hope all of you know this, how to do it, okay? Now if we will come below, you can see over here, the page is becoming bigger. So I will make it a smaller for you, so that in the frame, whole page will come. Now you can see the whole page is inside in the frame. You can see page number 24 in your book also. Here is also example for finding of 1 by 5 of a rupee, 2 by 3 of an year, 5 by 8 of a day, 7 by 8 of a kilogram, 11 by 25 of a liter, 4 by 5 of an hour. Okay, in that case what we will be doing? We will be writing 1 by 5 of a rupee is equal to 1 by 5 of 100 paisa I had written, because when I will write 1 rupees, then it will become 1 by 5 rupees only. So to get the exact number, we change this rupees into paisa. Okay, so 100 into 1 by 5, what happened? Numerator it will be multiplied, nothing below means 1, so 100 into 1 by 1 into 5 paise. So what happens? 5 20 is 100. Okay, with 5 it has been divided 100, so 20 into 1 by 1 into 1 paise, so 20 paise. That becomes the answer. If you will see question number 2, 2 by 3 of an year. 2 by 3 of an year. In a year, how many days are there? 365 days and 6 hours. We read in science 365 1 by 2 days. But here it has been converted in months. Of course, you can convert it into months. You can convert it into days according to your wish. But here it has been converted into months. So how many months are there in a year? 12. So it has been written 2 by 3 of 12 months. Now 12 into 2 by 3 months. 3 4 are 12. So 4 to 8 you can see. Simply you can cancel like this also. 3 1 are 3 and 3 4 are 12 and 4 2 are 8. Directly also you can write. After here this you can write, or even you can do like this. 2 steps more you can add. That is 12 by 1 into 2 by 3. Then after 12 months that becomes, and 12 into 2 by 1 into 3 and 3 4 are 12 you can write, and 4 2 are 8. 8 months. In this way you can write it. So if you will see question number 3 now, 5 by 8 of a day. In a day, 24 hours has been taken over here. Okay, if there will be bigger fraction like 5 by 200 it comes. Then in that way you can change it into minute also. So on the basis of fraction we can change day into hour or minute. That means to get a perfect number we will be doing so. So 5 by 8 of a day is what? 5 by 8 of 24 hours. That is 24 into 5 by 8 hours is equal to 24 by 1 into 5 by 8 hours. So 24 into 5 by 1 into 8. 8 3 is 24 it becomes, so 5 3 is 15 hours. So now if you will see below, it is 4 number. 7 by 8 of a kilogram. 7 by 8 of 1000 gram is written over here. Why? Because in a kilogram there is 1000 gram. So 7 by 8 and of 1000 grams. So 1000 into 7 by 8 it is. If nothing below, then there is 1. So what happened? 1000 into 7 it has been done, and 1 into 8 it has been done. Directly it has been reduced by 8. Even you can do by, at first you can reduce by 2, then after again 2, then after again 2, and you can come up to that. Or directly also you can divide it with 8. So it becomes 125 into 7 gram. That is 875 gram. Now if you will see question number 5, it is 11 by 25 of a liter. Students, you should know these all conversion. Liter into ml, kilogram into gram, hour into minute or second, year into months or days or weeks. Okay, these are all for doing these types of questions. As you can see, 11 by 20 of a liter has been written 11 by 25 of 1000 ml. Why? Because in 1 liter there is 1000 ml. Okay. So now we have divided 1000 with, you can see 1000 into 1 by 11 by 25 ml it has been written, nothing below, that means there is 1. So 1000 by 1 into 11 by 25 ml it is, okay. So 25 into 4 it is 100. So 40 it becomes, 40 into 11 becomes 440 ml. Okay. This is the way how we deal. This is the way how we solve the problem. Okay. Now if you will see, if you will go below, there comes question number 6, that is 4 by 5 of an hour. In an hour there is 60 minutes. So here it has been written 4 by 5 of 60 minutes, that is 60 into 4 by 5 minutes. Nothing below means 1, so it has been written 60 by 1 into 4 by 5 minutes. Now 60 by 1, up it is multiplied, so 60 into 4 by 1 into 5, and 5 and 12 with 5 and 60 has been cancelled. 5, 12 just 60 it becomes, or you can know 12, 5 just 60, okay. So it becomes 12 into 4, 48, and below there is 1, so 48 minutes. If there is below denominator 1, no need to write it. Okay. Now we will move towards example 7, as you can see over here. Okay. Milk is sold at rupees 16.3 by 4 per liter. That means 1 liter milk is sold in rupees 16.3 by 4. Find the cost of 6 2 by 5 liter of milk. So 6 2 by 5 liter of milk means we will be multiplying this 6 2 by 5 liter with 1 liter price. You can see here it has been written cost of 1 liter of milk is equal to rupees 16.3 by 4, that is 16 4 is 64 and 367, rupees 67 by 4. Cost of 6 2 by 5 liters of a milk is equal to rupees 67 by 4 into how much? 32 by 5. Why it has been written 32 by 5? Do you know from where 32 by 5 it came? It came from here. This has been done by multiplying 6 5 is 30 and 2 32. So 32 by 5. So it becomes rupees 67 into 32 by 4 into 5. Okay. So 4 8 is 32. And it has been multiplied 8 7 is 56. Carry 5. 8 6 is 48 and 5 53. So 536 by 5. Now when we divide 536 by 5, what we get? Rupees 107 1 by 5. How we get? Let's see. 5 1 is 5, so 1 came. Now there 3 will come down and 6 will come down. If 3 by coming down it will not go, so we will keep 0, then again 6 will come down. It will become 36. I am just explaining the divide orally, so try to understand it. It's okay. So 7 5 is 35 it becomes. So 7, with 7 we have to reduce. And remainder is 1. You can divide it and you can check it, okay. Remainder is 1, so remainder is written off and divided down. So it becomes rupees 107 by 5. Simply divide it. What question comes, you write over here. Remainder will be at the top and divisor, of course, 5 will be at down. So what we can write, hence the cost of 6 2 by 5 liters of milk is rupees 107 1 by 5. If you will see below, students, there is more big page. Again I will make a small to show you the whole page. Now I know you all are seeing the whole page. And it is example 8. I have said there is too many examples. If you will understand all the examples, then you will be able to solve all the questions properly. So if you will see example 8, Sajal can walk 2 by 5 kilometer in an hour. In 1 hour Sajal can walk how much kilometer? 2 by 5 kilometer. How much distance will he cover in 3 1 by 3 hour? Now you have to find in this much hour how much distance will we cover. 1 hour we are knowing, so we will be multiplying with this much, then we will be getting this much hour how much you will cover. Same it has been done over here. You can see word problems. Of course, word problems should be written in a statement as it has been written over here in example. Distance covered by Sajal in 1 hour is equal to 2 by 5 kilometer. Is equal to 12 by 5 kilometer. Distance covered by Sajal in 1 by 3 hour is equal to this 1 hour into 1 by 3 hour. You can see 12 by 5 into 3 3 is 9 and 1 10. So 10 by 3 kilometer. Now you can see 12 into 10 by 5 into 3 it has been done. 3 4 is 12 and 5 2 is 10. So 4 2 is 8 kilometer. Hence the distance covered by Sajal in 1 hour is 8 kilometers. Okay. Sorry, here the question has been answer has been written wrong. Here you have to write hence the distance covered by Sajal in 1 by 3 hour is 8 kilometers, not 1 hour. Okay, by mistake it has been written over here 1 hour. Here it has written Sajal can walk 2 by 5 kilometers in an hour. In hour this much only she is walking, and you have to find how much distance will he cover in 1 by 3 hours. So what the distance we found? This is in 1 by 3 hours. Here also written distance covered by Sajal in 1 by 3 hours is 8 kilometers. So hence the distance covered by Sajal in 1 by 3 you will be writing over here, but 1 by 3 hour is 8 kilometers. Now if you will just move below, you can see question number 9. Sorry, example number 9. In example number 9 there is a carton. A carton contains 16 boxes of nails and each box weighs 3 by 4 kilometer. How much would a carton of nail weight? Now you have to say that how much is the weight of the nail of a carton. What is given over here? You can see 16 boxes is given and weight of each box is given. Weight of one box is 3 by 4 kg. So it has been changed into what? Improper fraction. You can say 4 4 is 16 and 3 19. So 19 by 4 kg. Weight of 16 boxes is equal to 19 by 4 into 16 kg. Okay. So 16 nothing below, that means there is 1. So 19 by 4 into 16 by 1 kg. And then up of it is multiplied 19 into 16 by 4 into 1. So 4 4 is 16, you can see. It becomes 19 4 is 76. Hence the weight of a carton is 76 kg. In this way, you will be making word problem. See, at last the answer is written in full sentence. If you will see example 10, a book consists of 216 pages. During last week, Vikas has read 3 by 4 of the book. How many pages did he read? 3 by 4 of the book, and book has 216 pages. So here it has been written total number of pages in the book 216. Number of pages read is equal to 3 by 4 of the 16. So of means multiply 216 into 3 by 4. Now 216 into 3 by 1 into 4 it is. So with 4 it has been divided. You can see 4 5 is 20 and again 1 and 6 16. So 4 4 is 16. So 54 into 3, 4 3 is 12, 2 carry 1, 5 3 is 15 and 1 16. So altogether how many pages he had read? He had read 162 pages. Hence Vikas read 162 pages during last week. If you will see just below, there is example 11. Okay. In example 11, it has been written a tin contains 18 kg ghee. After consuming 2 by 3 of it, how much ghee is left in the tin? Now just see, 2 by 3 kg of ghee has been used. So what we will do over here, we will find out 2 by 3 kg, 2 by 3 of total ghee, and then we will subtract it from total. You can see here it has been done the same thing. Total quantity of ghee in the tin is equal to 18 kg. quantity of ghee consumed is equal to 2 by 3 of 18 kg is equal to 18 into 2 by 3 kg. Okay, so it is 18 by 1 into 2 by 3 kg. Now 3 6 is 18, 6 is there, so 6 into 2 12. So how many kg? 12 kg it is. Okay, so quantity of ghee left in the tin is equal to 18 minus 12 kg, that is 6 kg. Okay, so what it has been done? It has been subtracted. Why subtracted? Because it has been consumed. Consumed means what? Used. After using, how much left? 12 kg. After using, 12 kg, no? 12 kg has been used. So how much left? 18 kg minus 12 kg, that is 6 kg. So in this way you will be making, if you will see, there is example 12. Okay, the last example, then after exercise will come. Renu spends 4 by 5 of her income on household expenses. How much income? 4 by 5 of her income. Her monthly income is rupees 30,000. She is earning 30,000 per month. How much does she save every month? So what we will do? At first we will be finding expenditure. When we subtract expenditure from salary, then we will get saving. Expenditure means what? Spend it. Expenses. This has been spending. This money has been lost. 4 by 5 of 30,000. That means not lost. Has been used for purchasing something as expense. Okay. So you can see total monthly income it has been written. Then after monthly expenditure, how much? 4 by 5 of her income. Her income is how much? Rupees 30,000. So 4 by 5 of rupees 30,000. Now of means multiply. So rupees 30,000 into 4 by 5 it is. And you can see of it has been multiplied. 30,000 into 4 and 1 into 5 it has been done. Nothing below means 1. So 1 into 5. Now with 5 it has been done. 6 5 is 30. 6,000 into 4,000. That means rupees 24,000. Monthly saving. This is what? This is monthly expenditure. Then monthly saving is equal to monthly income minus monthly expenditure. So it has been written monthly saving is equal to monthly income minus monthly expenditure. That is rupees 30,000 minus 24,000. That is rupees 6,000. Students, we had read and understand all the examples. I had explained all the examples. Hope all of you had understood it. Okay. If not, soon maybe we will be interacting with each other through Zoom app. At that time, keep the doubt collected with you. Yes, and you will be saying, the book will be with me. I will be trying to explain it orally or through the whiteboard present on this Zoom app. I will be trying to explain you. Okay. So now we will move towards exercise 2b. This is the product, how to multiply. If you will see below, I had given the solution also. Same way, this has been said to multiply. Okay, we will multiply numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator. Like 7 3 is 50, 7 3 is 21 and 11 5 is 55. You can see all the questions. Questions I had not written. Okay, directly I am writing the answer. Some questions might be there, so you just can refer the book and you can just watch over here. If there is no question, you can understand from second step it has been written. If it is there is question, then from question it has been written. You can see 3 by 5 into 7 by 11. So 3 into 7 by 5 into 11, so it becomes 21 by 55. 5 by 4, 5 by 8 into 4 by 7. Sorry, 3 by 5 into 7 by 11 was there. If I read it mistakenly, any other thing you should understand. Okay, in hurry sometimes there becomes tongue slip. So you can see 5 by 8 into 4 by 7. So up it will be multiplied. So 5 into 4 and down it will be multiplied. So 8 into 7. So you can see 4 1 is 4 and 4 2 is 8. I written 2. Okay. So it, at the top 5 into 5 remains and below 2 into 7 14. Okay. If you will see question number 3, it is 4 by 9. I had made all serially. I thought, why to make first and last? Let me make all serially early. Okay. So that if you had learned, don't copy this all. you learn it, make by yourself. There is answer, you match the answer. If you are not knowing how to solve, then you again watch the PDF. Oh, sir has made in this way. If by watching the PDF also you do not understand, then please watch video once again. So let's see. And every day you do the every day given work same day, because the work, if it will not be done, it will be burden for you only. Okay, so you can see over here I had increased the picture, so might be this much, this might be cut in for you, has been cut for you. So but questions are there properly, it is being seen. Okay, now what I was saying is question number 3. It is 4 by 9 into 5 by 16. So numerator it will be multiplied, so 4 into 15, by denominator it will be multiplied, that is 9 into 16. You can see 4 4 is 16, it has been cancelled, here is 1 and here it is 4. And in same way 3 3 is 9 and 3 5 is 15, it has been cancelled. At the top it becomes 1 into 5, that is 5, and 3 into 4, that is 12. So answer becomes what? 5 by 12. 5 by 12. Now there is a multiply. Actually I had written the question and over there only I had just reduced it. You can reduce in next step, don't reduce in question itself. You write question, then after you write this, and then you do this. So you can see 2 by 5 into 15 was there, so 5 3 is 15, it has been gone, nothing below, that means there is 1. So 2 into 3 it is 6, 6 by 1, that means 6 only. So you can write directly like this 6 also, or you can write 6 by 1 is equal to 6. Now if you will see question number 5, altogether if you will go down, this one number is up to 12 number, and 2 number I had made 1 and I think this is 3, so 1 and 3 it has been made. Now this was saying PDF you will be getting this. So let's see 5 number. 5 number is what? 8 by 15 into 20. Here also I had cut it at the same time, but you will write question, then after you will be cutting. So 15. With 5 I had reduced. 5 3 is 15 and 5 4 is 20. So it becomes 8 4 is 32 by 3, and I had then changed it into mixed fraction. That is 10 3 is 30 and 2 32. Or you can simply divide 32 by 3. You will get quotient as 10, remainder 2, and divisor 3. So when you are writing in mixed fraction, you write quotient, remainder by divisor. Okay. Now if you will see question number 6, that is 5 by 8 into 1000. Okay. If nothing below, there is 1. So what will happen? 5 into 1000 by 8 into 1. Okay. I have not written 1 because nothing is there. That means multiplication of 1. Of course, any number is multiplied by 1, it will be same only. So now we have divided 1000 by 8. See, 8 1 the 8, 2 and 0 left. So 20 it will become 8 to the 16, and 4 and 0 will be left. So 8 5 the 40. So it becomes 125. Now 125 into 5, it becomes 625. So the last question I will be explaining you now, question number 7. Then after this might be video will be completed, because now 2.5 minutes is being shown over there. I had just kept the timer over there. So let's see this at first. 3 1 by 8 into 16 it is. So I had changed it into mixed fraction. As you can see, 8 3 is 24 and 1 25. So 25 by 8 into 16. So 8 2 is 16. Okay. And 25 into 2, it becomes 50. Nothing below, that means there is 1 only. So it becomes what? 50. If you will see, in 30 seconds I had explained you this. So let's see question number 8 also. 2 4 by 15 into 12. So what happens? 15 2 is 30 and 4 34. So 34 by 15 into 12. And it is both are reduced by 3. 5 3 is 15 and 4 3 is 12. So both are multiplied. 4 4 is 16, carry 1, 4 3 is 12 and 1 13. So 13, 136 by 5. Okay, and when we divide 136 with 5, what will happen? 5 2 is 10, 7 5 is 35, and 1 will be remainder, that is up, and divisor is 5, so 5 will be down. So this becomes 27, 1 by 5. So that's all today, students. From question number 9, again I will be explaining you tomorrow. It is same only. I hope without explaining also you will be able to make, but it's my duty to just explain you each and every question, so that any students, I think this weakest students in the class should also understand it. And by utilizing this lockdown, I hope you all can be a good student or a better student than a previous student, and you will be understanding better this time than previous time. Why? Because now each and everyone can watch me individually. How individually? Because the video which I am sending you, that is individually you are watching. You are not watching in group. You might may just to us that last time you during class might due to other speaking or by watching others you get deviated. Other was doing anything and you are watching them and you are getting deviated and you are not being able to learn. But this time there is no deviation. So watch the video properly and do the work properly. Maintain yourself as a better than previous. That's all for today. Thank you. Thank you very much. Again I will be coming with a video and PDF tomorrow.